Welcome back to the Stocks Update. In today's video, we're diving deep into Lucid Motors' stock performance, key market-moving events, and the latest updates that every investor needs to know. From Lucid's impressive price action to Morgan Stanley's game-changing rating and an upcoming event that could reshape its future, there's a lot to cover. Now, let's get right into it. Lucid Motors had an impressive trading session, closing 8.8% up at $2.35. The stock reached a high of $2.51 and a low of $2.18, signaling strong bullish momentum. More importantly, it successfully broke a key psychological level of $2.50, which could act as new support in the coming sessions. Investor sentiment played a crucial role in this surge, as Lucid outperformed the broader market despite overall volatility. The increased trading volume further confirmed institutional interest, which we'll discuss shortly. One of the biggest catalysts for Lucid's price action was a new rating from Morgan Stanley. While they maintained their $3 price target, the real shocker came with their $10 bull case, a level that hasn't been projected by Morgan Stanley in a long time. This rating shift is not just about Lucid's fundamentals, it could be tied to Morgan Stanley's deeper involvement in the Saudi exchange. Given Saudi Arabia's significant stake in Lucid through the Public Investment Fund (PIF), there may be strategic moves in play behind the scenes. If Lucid can capitalize on its production plans and technology, we may see more bullish revisions from institutions in the future. Another major upcoming development is Lucid's scheduled event on March 27th at the Lucid Meatpacking Studio. The expectation is that Lucid will unveil more details about its highly anticipated Gravity SUV. The Gravity SUV is expected to be a game-changer for Lucid, potentially opening up new revenue streams and expanding its market presence. This event could act as another major catalyst, so investors should keep an eye on any announcements leading up to it. A surprising factor that caused a brief pullback in Lucid stock was Nvidia's GTC keynote speech. During this presentation, Nvidia mentioned its collaborations with GM, Tesla, and Mercedes on autonomous driving technology, but Lucid was not included in the discussion. This came as a disappointment to some Lucid investors, especially since Lucid has a known partnership with Nvidia for its self-driving technology. However, this does not necessarily mean bad news for Lucid. The company is still working towards Level 3 autonomous driving, and as its technology matures, it may gain more recognition from industry leaders like Nvidia. Lucid saw a huge spike in trading volume, with 180.2 million shares traded, compared to the average of 98.2 million. This is a significant increase, indicating heightened interest from institutional investors. 3 major transactions stood out, each exceeding $1 million. These large-scale purchases suggest that some big players are accumulating Lucid shares, possibly anticipating a strong future performance. Another notable event was short sellers returning 1.32 million shares. This is unusual because, typically, when Lucid rallies, short sellers tend to increase their positions. This could be a sign that some shorts are admitting defeat or taking a cautious approach in light of recent bullish momentum. Looking at the options market, we saw 2.42 million call options traded versus 738K put options. While this might seem bullish, 47% of options activity was bearish, indicating mixed sentiment among investors. One interesting move was institutions hedging with put options for December 2025. Suggesting that some are preparing for potential downside risk. These put options were targeting a price below $1.50, but given Lucid's recent performance, it will be interesting to see if this bearish outlook plays out. From a technical perspective, Lucid has some important price levels to watch. Resistance: $2.63 is the next major target. Support: $2.06 is a key level to hold. 100-day moving average, $2.57 needs to be broken for a confirmed uptrend. Lucid's stochastic RSI also shows that the stock is currently overbought, meaning a pullback could occur before the next leg up. If Lucid can break past resistance levels and maintain strong momentum, we could see higher price targets in the near future. This recent rally in Lucid stock feels eerily similar to what happened in 2022, when the stock surged 30% on rumors of a PIF buyout. That time, speculation drove the price up significantly before a cool-down period. While we don't have direct buyout rumors this time, we do have increased institutional interest, a new bullish rating from Morgan Stanley, and an upcoming product launch. These factors combined could create a sustained uptrend if market conditions remain favorable. Despite broader market volatility, Lucid has shown strong resilience and bullish momentum. The stock's ability to outperform on a red market day is a sign that investors are taking notice of its potential. Sustain its price above key support levels to confirm an uptrend. Deliver positive news at the March 27th event to boost investor confidence. Secure more institutional interest to counter bearish sentiment. Demonstrate real progress in production and deliveries to meet expectations. If all these factors align, Lucid could be on track for a much stronger 2025 and beyond. What do you think about Lucid's recent performance? Do you believe it will break higher, or are you expecting a pullback? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.